Hi friends, so as I was promised, so now I'm going to configure the WAN router. In previous video already I show you how to configure the internet router, and I was also make the configuration and I checked that we was able to reach to internet through this router. So now I will configure the WAN router and we'll do the testing. We'll check that from this router we should be able to reach the internet. So now just make the on device power on. So just check it. Device is all up now. Show IP interface brief. So nothing is okay. So it is showing already configured. No issue. I'm just first of all making the configuration default. Then we'll show you. So the interface. Default interface this one, okay, and this one is also configured, so going to make the interface default. Default interface. Now do that. So you can see now nothing is configured here. So IP interface brief. Sorry, do show IP interface brief. You can see nothing is there. Okay. So first of all I will assign the IP address to the interface. So gig 0 by 0, this interface is connected with the controller switch, and this interface will be the gateway of your all the controllers, vManage, vBond, vSmart, vSmart 2. So all these are connected with the controller switch. Controller switch is connected with the WAN router gig 0 by 0. So I will give the IP address on this interface. This first of all give the description. See, it's a C connector with CTRL switch. IP address 10.110.1.254.255.255.255.0. No shut. Okay. Now we'll configure the interface gig 0 by 6 because of this interface is connected with your internet router. So suppose if I want to reach to the internet, so first of all I have to go on internet router. So internet router I have to go through the interface gig 0 by 6 only. So just come on the interface 6 and give the description. It is connected with iNet router. IP address 202.2.202. Because of 20254 I have used on internet router. So I used here 202 only. Now 255.255.0, no set. And also I have to define the default route towards the internet router so that it can pass the prefix to internet router. So just go to, then we'll do the testing. So IP route 0.0.0 0.0.0 202.2.254. The 254 is configured on our internet router gig 0/1. That is my next hope. Do right. And so our configuration is done, basic configuration on the WAN router. Now we should be reach to the internet. So we will test now. Ping show IP interface brief. First of all, check the IP address, that is fine. Now show IP route. Through this default route I will be reach to the internet router and pass the packet to internet, and from the internet to internet router to internet is already reachable, as I show you in previous video. So just do the testing. Ping .8.8. Just check. Yeah, now it's going. Yeah, fine. So now WAN router configuration is done. Thanks for watching. I will show you in next video. We'll configure the CA server and all the controllers, and then we'll onboard the all controllers one by one, and then we'll start to the implementation part. Now our WAN router configuration is done, internet router configuration is done. In next video I will show you the MPLS configuration, MPLS router configuration. So between the MPLS router and my WAN router, here I will be use the BGP, eBGP, and from MPLS router to all the WAN edge devices we have a two connectivity. That is, the one is the with the MPLS router through the BGP, and one of the through the internet router, that is the default will use the internet connectivity for that, and we'll do the testing of DIA also through this only. So that's why I used here internet connectivity. Now so wait in next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.